Welcome to the import spreadsheet command. The import spreadsheet command allows you to take an Excel spreadsheet and bring it into your model as a schedule. To demonstrate this, we're going to come up here to the Cadpro Toolkit ribbon. We're going to come over to import, and we're going to import spreadsheet. The import spreadsheet dialog box comes up. So the first thing we want to do is open up a spreadsheet. So I'm going to go and select a spreadsheet here. Now, if I went ahead and go import and update right now, it would import the entire sheet because everything is highlighted in blue. Now, I don't want to do that, so I'm going to go up to the top here and I'm going to say, let's just import this amount of data here. Some other things that we can do in here is we can specify our border line style, our column width factor, and our row height factor. I'm going to leave all that as is, and I'm just going to go import and update. Now, if I come back into the model here, if I go down to schedules, here you'll see this new schedule I just created called operations. Now, we don't recommend renaming this because if you want to update it, which we'll do in a second, we need to have that name the same. I'm going to go ahead and just double click on this, and there you can see this schedule. And you can adjust this just like any other schedule. Now, this is a one-way. I can't modify the data here and it will update my spreadsheet. But I can update the spreadsheet and have it update the model. I'm going to go back into this now. So we're going to come back over here. I'm going to come back up to the Cadpro Toolkit ribbon. I'm going to go to the import and I'm going to go import spreadsheet. I'm going to open and I'm going to go ahead and select this again. And same thing, I might want to update that spreadsheet and I'm just going to bring in this amount of data and I'm going to go import and update. Now, I'm going to do this again. I'm going to go import spreadsheet. I'm going to open up the exact same one again. And this time I'm going to bring in the different tab so you can see what I was talking about. So I'm going to say, let's go to the shop tab. And I'm going to come up here to the top and I'm going to say, let's bring in this information here and I'm going to go import and update. Now, when I come down here to my schedules, now you're going to see two. I've got one for operations and one for the shop. If I go back into the operation one now, you'll see how much smaller it is. I'm going to come back up here, and this concludes this short video on importing spreadsheet. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.